you doing today? So I want to make a really quick video and show you how this Dyson V15 DETECT works, and if the little laser up front is actually something that you can use, or if it's just a gimmick and it's just not something worth even mentioning for a reason to buy this vacuum. Let's go and find out. We'll do just a quick sweeping test and we'll see just how much that laser actually shows the debris on the ground. Then we'll turn off the lights and see if we missed anything. So, real quick, I didn't notice this, I was kind of messing with this before, but there's a bug, like a big flying insect somewhere on the ground there. And I couldn't see it with the naked eye until I turn on the light, and let's see if this thing can illuminate it for us. Not sure if you can see that on camera. The camera may not be able to. But as you're going, you can definitely see little dots on the ground that you cannot see right now without the laser showing. So this makes sense, and if you're cleaning the room real quick and you miss a spot, you're going to completely see the missed spot compared to a spot that this has gone over. So let's go ahead and test this out and see if we can see it. So it's really, like I said, it's really hard to see on camera. So I'm gonna go and turn off the light, and then that's when you can really see the difference. Not like you're gonna be vacuuming in the dark, but if you have low light in a room, you can definitely see that this thing does work. See, without the light, you can tell there's just a lot of fine dust all over. Really, you can even see where there's footprints. See how I went over it and it's completely gone? Pretty cool. Let's go over here where I have not cleaned. See all the dirt? You can see it everywhere. With the naked eye, you simply cannot see that at all. Almost looks like there's like pollen and just there's so much more on the ground here than I even imagined. It's kind of crazy. It actually really does work. Little piece of hair there. That, you know, even with the light on, there's no way you would see that piece of hair. I had no idea these floors were this dusty. Let's go this way and see if... Yeah, you can see it definitely works. Pretty cool, I must say. It kind of shows me that I need to go ahead and mop this floor. That was so much more dirt than I expected to see. As you just saw, it definitely works. It actually surprised me with how much dirt and dust was all over these floors, because you cannot see it at all with the naked eye. Even with the light on, you just can't see that little particles. So the fact that you can see what you've missed is pretty impressive. I kind of think it's pretty cool. Is it really necessary? I would say probably not. But it is a pretty cool feature that you can have on a vacuum. And Dysons are probably, I would say, the best vacuums you can buy. They are very expensive. This guy was $6.99, which is a lot for a stick vac. However, you get what you pay for. Dyson's quality is really good. This thing's going to last a very, very long time. And yeah, I'd say for this quick little video, it definitely passed. Very cool technology. I mean, who thought to put a laser in front of your vacuum so you can see your dirt? So, if you guys like that video at all, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. Consider subscribing. And have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next one.